Some of the things we do now is they come in here, they get their resume, and so by the time they leave the court, they've got their resume and able to go look for a job that day. And that's amazing. I mean, that's something that, and I'm tired of seeing the revolving door. Because if you're here long enough, you see the same faces over and over again. And it's try to figure out how we can not have them come back here. The housing component is huge. We have a large transient population here, and we need to do something that's going to help them find housing. And housing starts everything.
Right.
How do you cure homelessness? You give somebody a house. And that's a statement not mine, but I've heard that from other people. But it's just, you've got it, and that's the start. It's getting them out of the situation that they're in. And so with this, Diane Whaley came on, and we had Charlene Reese, who was a prosecutor, and now Rocio Ferguson is a prosecutor, and they're really interested in the program. And so we brought back some of the information that we tried to do years ago, and we all came together and started working on the process. And it's been, you get to know people on a different level sitting in the small courtroom, sitting and talk to them face to face, than you do sitting up on high and looking down at them. We come in, we give them the choice. They can either we can refer to them as Mr. or Ms., or go refer by first name, whatever they prefer. Sometimes it's unusual. I'll have someone come in and say, "Hey, dude, how you doing?" That doesn't happen in the other courtroom.
Right.
But it's you get to know. We've had some amazing stories, and some of the people that some of the things that they've had to go through in their life that. When we're sitting in the other courtroom, we just don't know that. We just don't know what they're dealing with. And so it's to kind of try to figure out what they're going through. And so that's why we do the assessment before we even get started with them. Before I see them on the bench, they do an assessment, and we kind of see what things that they're going to need to do. So instead of saying it's the one size fit all, you've done this crime, you're going to do this type of treatment. Now we see the individual, and we say, okay, so what do you need that's going to change your life so you don't commit these crimes again? So instead of treating the crime, we treat the individual.